For this slime review, I am reviewing Touch Essential Slimes, and she has a very cute mermaid logo, and she sent, goodness, she sent 7 slimes, and I am so looking forward to some of these. Look at this. Fresh baked blueberry muffins, sugar cookies, gummy bear scented fishbowl slime, fresh baked key lime pie cloud cream, fruit cocktail. Doesn't that look totally real? Icy slushy and mermaid tail. Beautiful. It came with a care sheet, some sweet treats, and some little fruit toppings, as well as some slime activator if I will need it. First up is fresh baked key lime pie cloud cream. This shall be good. Look at that, there's a little lime, or it looks like kind of a kiwi lime on there, but it's very cute, and you can smell the lime from here, so it definitely smells delicious. And it has like a kind of like a 3-tone type of lime color. And out of the jar it pulls and drizzles just like cloud slime should. This is great. This is awesome. Oh, I love it. Look at that. This is well done. It's nice and light, doesn't leave any residue. You get that full on like tunnel, kind of like, it actually reminds me of when you drizzle it down and it comes down. It reminds me of a tornado that you see that kind of touches down to the ground. It's almost kind of like super satisfying to watch, if you know what I mean. Very cute. Very well done. Excellent slime. Next is gummy bear scented fishbowl slime. So this shall be nice. It's like a clear slime with some colorful fishbowl beads in there. It's a little wet, but that's all right, because one, I would rather have it underactivated than overactivated, so that all the little fishbowl beads don't pop out everywhere. So this slime wasn't entirely clear. I know it's made out of clear glue, but I suspect that it was slightly cloudy due to the floral scent to it. But the fishbowl beads are nice, and they're not popping out everywhere, so that's a good thing. And it's a fun, colorful slime to play with. Of course, with any clear slimes, the more that you play with it, the more that it's going to get cloudy because of all of the air bubbles that get stuck into it. But you can just pop it back into your container and let it sit, and it should clear up again, at least to the best of its ability. This next one is fresh baked blueberry muffins, which sounds delicious. Looking forward to this. This looks like another cloud slime, and it has lots of blueberries in there. And it definitely smells like blueberry mix. This one makes you want to go make some blueberry muffins because it smells so good. The scent is spot on. And the drizzle, again, no residue on your hands. Definitely a great cloud slime. Next is sugar cookie, and I'm looking forward to this because if it's anything like her other two with the scent, it's gonna probably be spot on. This one looks like another cloud slime, which is suiting for sugar cookies. got little foam beads in it, so it's like your little sprinkles when you are adding to your sugar cookies when you're making them, which makes it cute and festive and fun. And it has a sweet smell to it. Sugar cookies has such a kind of a light smell to it, so I can't say, you know, I remember exactly what they smell like, but I suspect that it's very similar to this. This has a sweet kind of batter smell, and it's a different batter smell than the blueberry muffin smell. I guess I probably shouldn't call it a batter smell, it's more like a dough. But again, you can't deny that it's an excellent cloud slime. Next we have the fruit cocktail, and this is adorable. If you take a look at this, this looks exactly like the little fruit cups that you get at the store. Looking forward to see what she used. I'm assuming, I'm just going to give a guess right now, it's like a cube slime with some cut up Java chips, I think. The coloring's spot on, and it's got like, if you were to, as if like you dumped a little fruit cup out, it has the chunky fruit bits and pieces in there, and it smells fruity. It's not overpowering, which is nice. This is a fun slime. It'd be almost if you were able to take your fruit cup and be able to pop it out and play with it. Next is mermaid tail, and it's super sparkly. It's like a purple clear slime. And it looks like it's got a little surprise in there. It's a mermaid's tail. Very nice. It's a nice glittery slime. Has all kinds of different shapes of glitter in it, which is neat. And it has like chunky glitter and fine glitter and regular glitter. And the colors all complement themselves with this against the purple slime. It is scented. It has like a floral scent to it. I can't say it's my favorite, but it's not overpowering, so that's good. And I suspect that others would probably really enjoy the smell. I'm just kind of a plain Janer. She sent me one, like kind of like a sampler size or a 1 ouncer, which is perfect to showcase here. But if you do purchase from her on Etsy, I know that you can purchase these slimes in bigger containers. It clicks really well, which is great. Got some nice pops. It's a nice little mermaid slime. Last but not least, we have an icy slime. This one should be fun. It's like kind of like an electric blue color. Or I guess that would be kind of here in the US, it would be like the raspberry flavored icy you'd get at the 7-Eleven store. I haven't had one of those in a long time. So this has a kind of like a, as I said, it's supposed to be like the raspberry icy from 7-Eleven, and it definitely has that raspberry smell to it. And it's pleasant. So it goes perfect along with the theme of this slime. It is a little sticky, which is fine. It's my fault because I really didn't add any activator. So what's great about that is when I would rather have slimes arrive underactivated than overactivated, because it's much easier to fix a slime that is underactivated than a slime that is overactivated. So Touch Essential Slimes gets 2 thumbs up. She did an excellent job. I'd say overall her scents on her slimes are spot on. My favorite was the fresh baked blueberry muffins, and I think this fruit cocktail is extremely clever and cute and whimsical, and definitely worth picking up if you are into a fruity slime. If you're interested in purchasing these slimes, you can visit Touch Essential Slimes on Etsy, where she has a shop, and not just limited to these slimes, but I know that she also has a variety of others.